Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do a Cambodian style recipe. So the main ingredient is the Prohok. The Prohok is fermented stinky fish. So that the Cambodian people like this a lot. They put in every recipe, Prohok. So this Prohok right here is already chopped up. Fermented fish already chopped up with lemongrass, and with this one right here, this called the krasang bok. So croissant box supposed to give you that sour taste, and and then we also chop up jalapeno pepper right here, and what we're gonna do with this ground pork right here, we're gonna just cook it in the pan, right? Just cook it first, and then
until it's done.
yeah, just it's not pan. Yeah, just cook it until it's done, and then we're gonna mix the prahoks in there.
Put Prohok in there.
Yeah,
put the
prahok,
salt
and
in
then
there
it
and
mix.
taste it.
Yeah, and then mix it together and taste it. That's the recipe. So prahok with pork, and
Caramelize that.
so the next thing we need to do, we had a pan right here. It's has it been hot already? Turn on the. So turn on the.
Caramelize that.
Yeah, put it's about half a cup of sugar in there. Or was it
It's less than half a cup.
less than half a cup of sugar in there? And what we do, caramelize the sugar. So bring the pan to a hot heat and then caramelize the sugar. All right, see the sugar start to melt now, and we reduce the heat, right?
Stop that.
Yeah, you don't want to burn this. Keep an eye on the sugar. You don't just want to caramelize the sugar, but you don't want to burn it because the sugar can burn easily here. So
So like
do like that. It start to turn color now. All right. I see it's burning. And now put in the ground pork. Now we're gonna cook this ground pork, break it out, try to break it all up and cook it completely. And all right, we're gonna add a little bit of
a little water.
a little water, not too much, right?
Now make sure the pork are cooked.
Yeah, make sure you cook the pork completely before put in that prahok. So I say the main thing is to cook the pork completely before we put in all the other ingredients in. I put in a little bit of monosodium glutamate (MSG).
Chicken bouillon too.
Okay. Ooh, no, hang on, and then put some of this chicken powder. How many scoop?
This one.
Just one scoop. One.
I got it salty.
Yeah, there's chicken powder. You can buy that from Asian store right here. A lot of Asian cooking they use this for flavor. What? Where is it? Yeah. A little bit of garlic salt.
Just a little bit because the fermented fish.
Yeah, because the prahok is very salty, so don't put a lot. No need to put salt in it. The prahok is very salty. Alright, I think it's cooked.
No, a little bit.
Low down the heat. Okay, this is the prahok. The prahok is not it's in the Cambodian cooking. They put a lot of this. We got this from Cambodia. It's very smelly. It's pungent, smelly. It's a acquired taste. It smells really bad because it's just fermented fish. And this one is fermented fish then been chopped down. I mean, it's already chopped to fine pieces, and then also add lemongrass into that too. Lemongrass and then the croissant.
You
So
can dùng lấy cái xăng cho nó làm.
Yeah, this is very smelly. When you cook this, make sure they have good ventilation. So smelly. Yeah, this is very smelly thing. Now put the jalapeno pepper in there. Yeah, this is the croissant box. Right here it's frozen, but we just put a chunk in there.
But I think that's
Yeah, that just give a little sour flavor.
long is not good.
Now after we cook this, you either you know, like you can just like slice some cucumber or some vegetable, and then just
Yeah.
kind of.
It's good with what is it?
What else good with?
Japanese cabbage is good.
Yeah, cabbage. Yeah, you can eat cabbage with this. The smell really smelly right now, but when you taste it, it tastes good because the Prohok is very pungent, really strong. So when you cook this, make sure you cook in the open. I'm not gonna recommend that you cook this in the house. It's gonna smell all over the house. Cambodian, they like this Prohok. Prohok is basically a fermented fish. The fish that they use, what kind of fish they use to make Prohok?
They can use a lot of time. They can use like the what they call the tuon.
The snakehead.
Snakehead, yeah.
Snakehead.
Or they could use the small fish. I don't know what it's called.
Yeah, the small karami. Yeah, the small tiny karami they use to make the Prohok too. But
the one we have, my PTV, she make it homemade, not buy it. It's make it that more, cleaner.
Yeah. So the Prohok is a main ingredient in Cambodian cooking. They use it in everything. It's like making soup, they just put it everywhere. But like you say, fermented fish. It's good. It's really good.
It's good. It's
Oh my goodness.
Two more minutes.
Yeah, it's good. Well, let's plate this up. So this is the final product right here. Stir-fry pork with Prohok. Prohok mixed with lemongrass and croissant bok. And then you can eat that with sliced cucumber and then with cabbage. So with the cabbage, you take a piece of cabbage right here, okay, and then you take a spoon and you take some of this pork with Prohok, and you just like that. Tastes so good.
You made with a lot of more if you have like eggplant too.
Yeah, you can eat with eggplant, with all kind of vegetable here. Like I said, the pork, you can taste the lemongrass, you can taste the Prohok, you can taste the Prohok, and you can taste that the croissant bok give you that sourness, and the Prohok give you that pungentness. Really smelly, but in a good way. Now the cucumber, it's a little spicy because we put a little jalapeno pepper in there too. This is good. So I don't know you guys know how to eat Prohok or not, but this is the way to do it. If you have Prohok, chop the Prohok up, and then mix it with lemongrass, and then you just cook the pork first, the ground pork, and after that just mix that Prohok and lemongrass in there, and then the croissant bok, and you eat it with vegetable like this, like the cabbage. This is so good. So thank you so much for watching. If you like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I hope you give this recipe a try. Thank you.